Hey guys, welcome to my How to School YouTube channel, and in this video we will see how we can set the screensavers in Windows 10 operating system just like the way we do in Windows 7 or Windows XP. Here in Windows 10 operating system, in order to set the screensavers, you need to right click on the desktop. You need to click on the personalize option. It will open up the settings window. Here you need to click on lock screen, and in the bottom you guys can see an option called as screensaver settings. Click on that. It will open up a small window where you can set the screensavers just like the way you can do in Windows 7. So here if you want, you can preview. I'm gonna select bubbles, and if I click on preview, then the bubbles will appear, and I can get a preview of this. And also I can set the timeout if I want. So you can set the screensaver just like the way you want, and after that click on apply, click on OK, and your screensaver is set. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.